cost-effective flagship model. Lightweight and stylish design enables lower wind resistance. Large air volume blower enables better air delivery. Open air conditioner. Remote control to adjust temperature, fan speed, mode, and lighting. Control panel to adjust temperature, fan speed, mode, and lighting. Large digital display panel and silicone buttons. Remote control enables air swing. Electric control of vertical air swing. Environmental temperature 40.4 degrees. When set to the lowest temperature 5 degrees. Highest fan speed of 5 levels and powerful mode. When set to 26 degrees, lowest fan speed of 1 level, and energy saving mode. When set at maximum airflow. When set at minimum airflow. Disassembly the shell. The scroll compressor has large displacement. Sine wave controller enables smooth operation.